In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 13.2 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by launching Settings. Following that, scroll all the way down and tap on System and Updates available at the bottom. Now click on Language and Input. Select your keyboard and input. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!